Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am coming to you from the BLOC Hotel at London's Gatwick Airport in the South Terminal. I'm actually staying here just for one night because I have a 6 a.m. flight tomorrow, and when I realized the price of a car service to get here, this was actually more cost effective. So here we are. So in this video, I am gonna give you a tour of my room and a full review of my stay. Again, it's only for one night, but I figured other people are probably in the same situation as me with early morning flights or like late arrivals, and you always want to know, what is the airport hotel like? So let's jump in. So I am in room number 784. And to be honest, I actually splurged on an upgraded room because my room has a window and a lot of ones at this hotel do not. So, but yeah, there's not that much to see. So when you come in, this is the bathroom here on the left, which I'll show you. But let's take a look at the primary. I mean, it's literally 3 steps and you are in the room, darling. So this is the bed, although I have to say, it does look like pretty cozy. And then, what's that you say? We will, I'll take my shoes off and I'll go climb up there. That is the view of the airport. And then, very cozily in the bed, we have this flat screen TV. Not that I will be turning it on because it's like 9:30 right now, so the plan is to get ready and go to sleep. But let's go have a look at the rest of the room and then I'll show you what my view looks like. I'll turn the lights off. So the light fixtures are actually quite cool. They look like blocks. So on the bedside table, you have, it's like a smart hotel room. So you have, this is like all lights, bed lights, and WC, which is the toilet. So it looks like there's some on or off buttons or stop. And then I immediately turned the temperature control all the way up because I'm going somewhere super warm tomorrow and all I have is like t-shirts and shorts for sleeping and it's really cold in here. So yes, the air conditioning works really well. And then we've just got classic UK plugs here. It looks like they give you 2 bottles of complimentary still water. I have looked here to see if there's anything interesting, and I will take a look and let you know what it says. And then this looks like the BLOC Hotel. This is my room key. BLOC Hotel has its own magazine, which is very interesting. I guess some bedtime reading. And then over here we've just got like a little, I don't even know if I can pull this out. This is just like a little chair for the desk area. Oh gosh, now it feels like I've turned the heat on. I need, abort mission, abort mission. I need to turn this down a little bit. I don't want heat on, but I don't want freezing cold air conditioning. All right, let's see if that's better. It takes a little bit of time to kick in, folks. All right, and then you can just see over here, this is where I came in. So when you come in, there's no closet in the room. This is kind of your closet. I'm assuming people just really crash here for a night. We've got a hair dryer and then the rest is my stuff. And then because we count the hangers on this channel, there are 2 clothing hangers. And then need help, contact reception, clever. And then let's go take a look at the bathroom. This is an interesting one. Are you ready for it? All right, so it's like an all-in-one situation. So this is the shower over here. So the shower is up above, and then on this side here, we've just got the controls. We've got the little like body washer, and it comes with a hair and body wash all in one. Of course, no conditioner because, you know, we women with long hair don't need that at all. And then what do we have over here? So I've closed the door. And it's like a all-in-one, so I'm assuming like you could actually, this might be a hotel room first. You could sit on the toilet while you're having a shower. Not that I would recommend that. But yeah, I'm assuming when you shower in here, everything gets wet. To be honest, I'm not really planning to shower in the morning, but let's see if I change my mind. And then yes, we've just got the toilet here. We've got the wash bin, a tiny little sink with more of this silver buckthorn hand wash. little bit. That's hilarious. So you know everything must get wet when the extra toilet paper is like covered in plastic. And I guess, to be fair, this is pretty splash proof itself. And then yeah, you've just got the mirror here. I wouldn't say my favorite makeup mirror, but I'm hoping maybe when I wake up the sun will have risen so I can use the window outside. All right, so what I have also learned, and like, by the way, can we talk about this lighting from this block cube next to me? Nice. So what I have learned from this little leaflet here is that there are free hot drinks rooms that are adjacent to the lift lobby on the 5th and the 7th floors. Well, we're on the 7th floor, so we clearly need to go check that out right now. And then apparently if you booked directly with the BLOC Hotel, you can collect a free fast track premium security voucher from reception. I did not do that, but I have status with British Airways, so I don't actually need that. But very cool hack. Definitely book direct if you want the fast track security voucher. Well, let's go see what this hot drinks room looks like. All right, so the drinks, this is the hot drinks room. At first the light didn't turn on, so it felt a bit creepy in here. So this is quite cool. It's like a Nescafe machine. And let me get out of the way so you can see. You can do latte, cappuccino, flat white, white Americano, espresso, double espresso, black Americano, baby chino, hot chocolate, mochaccino, dash of milk for tea, and hot water. And then they've got all the accoutrement here. So then you also, if you're a tea drinker, they just have classic fair trade, classic everyday fair trade teas, like a classic black tea. Yeah, 100% black tea. Cool. What a nice little value add. I feel like, don't burn yourself, grab a cup holder. I feel like because I have 6 a.m. flight, maybe when I roll out of bed in the morning, I should come down here and get a little cup of coffee to wake me up before I have to face the security at Gatwick. All right, so first impressions of the BLOC Hotel. I think this is perfectly comfortable and cozy for one night before an early morning flight. There's no frills, but honestly, it's like perfectly clean room. The bed already that I'm sitting on right now feels pretty comfy, so I'm curious to see how I'll sleep, but I can wake up in the morning and let you know. And I like the free touch that there's like random free coffees on some of the floors, free coffee and tea. So I think that's really nice if you're, I mean, coffee is my love language, so getting the morning running with that, excellent. The things that I don't like are the all-in-one bathroom shower situation, but to be fair, for a solo traveler, not the end of the world, but like, I think if there were 2 of you and everything is just like wet in the bathroom, just like, maybe not quite my vibe, but you know what? This isn't like efficiency small airport hotel. So without further ado, I am gonna get ready for bed because it's gonna be, I don't even wanna know what time I'm waking up tomorrow. Probably like 4 in the morning or 4:30 in the morning. So see you in the morning. All right, good morning everyone. I actually look halfway decent for someone who woke up at 4 a.m. So I am just checking out of the BLOC Hotel. It's 10:05, so I've gotta go. But what I would say is the sleep last night was really good. The rooms are very quiet. I actually noticed someone like left their luggage outside with like the luggage carts from the airport. Didn't hear any of that. Went to bed probably about 10:30 p.m. Woke up at about 4 a.m. Well, to be fair, I woke up at 3:30 because I realized I had only at 3:30 realized I had fallen asleep with my contact lenses in. Fun. But otherwise, like, this bed was super comfortable. The pillows were great. I'm really particular on pillows because I just sometimes get like neck pain. Really love that. I went this morning to get my coffee. Really good. I've probably only had like 4 or 5 sips of it, but it was just nice for like the morning wake up. I did my makeup in the other room. To be fair, I should have done it out here. The lighting is so much better. But the bathroom was fine for doing the makeup in the morning. I did not shower just because of time constraints. Not because I dislike the whole shower in one bathroom situation, but efficiency hotel, I understand that. What else can I tell you? I didn't try the Wi-Fi, but yeah, I think in terms of just a really quick and easy place to crash for a night, this is definitely a great hotel. So would I stay here again? Yes, I'm sure I probably will. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. Leave a comment down below. Have you stayed at the BLOC Hotel? Let me know what your experience was like. Sharing is always caring here on this channel. And then I would love it if you join me on this wonderful YouTube journey. Please consider subscribing to my channel. So thanks again for tuning in, and I will see you soon.